Hello everyone, welcome back to SolidWorks tutorial for beginners. I am Rakesh VALASA. In this video lecture, I am going to explain how to develop this 3D model in SolidWorks software. First, open new document in SolidWorks 2025. Choose part, then click on OK. Now the new document is opened, then do the unit settings, go to the bottom and select IPS and choose millimeter gram second. Then once carefully observe the given image. First we need to develop the base model. The base rectangular solid dimensions are 50 and 75 and thickness 12 mm. By using these three dimensions you need to develop that base model in SolidWorks. So choose extruded bars or base and select top plane. Here I am choosing corner rectangle. From this point construct one rectangle, then give the dimensions by using smart dimensions. This length is 50 mm, 50, okay. Then this height is 75 mm, then click on enter button. Okay, after this exit from this workbench and apply the thickness. Here the thickness is 12 mm, 1 2, then click on OK. Okay, after this you need to cut this portion. This width is 12 mm and length is 25 mm. These two edges are from 25 mm from starting edge. So choose extruded cut, select top surface and choose corner rectangle. Just you can draw one corner rectangle here and give the dimensions by using small dimension. You know that the distance between this edge and this edge, that is 25 mm, 25, okay. Then the distance between this edge and this edge 25 mm, 25, enter. And this thickness is 12 mm, 1 2, okay. Okay, now click escape button and exit from this workbench. Here the removing thickness also equal to that model thickness, so that is 12 mm, then click on OK. Okay, after this you need to construct this portion. Here this edge, the distance between this edge from the starting edge 20 mm and this model width is 25 mm and right side this height is 25 mm. So choose extruded base or base and select this surface. Just draw that shape by using line tool. So you can start from here, draw vertical line, then horizontal line and locate one point on this edge, then close this loop, then give the dimensions by smart dimension. This height is 25 mm, 25, enter. Then this width is 20 mm, enter. Then you know that the distance between this corner, that means this vertex and this vertex 25 mm, 25, enter. Okay, after this exit from this workbench and apply the thickness towards right side. So change the direction. The thickness is 25 mm, 25, enter. Now click on OK. Okay, this is the final model for the given figure 20.36. You can also change the view, choose isometric view, and you can also change the different views. Just you hold control button, hold mouse right button and select the view. This is the isometric view, this is the top view, this is the this is one more view, that means right view. You can also change right view to isometric view. Okay, this is, you can also move the model in SolidWorks. Just hold Control button and press mouse middle button. This is the way to you can pan any model in SolidWorks software. I hope you enjoyed in this session. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.